Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor, and here we are at the Dollar Tree and we are live. So I am going to show you around what they have. A lot of the shelves are still empty because stuff is still coming out of the boxes. So these vases right here we already have seen, and look how cute these are. I wanted to show you these because they are iridescent and they're totally gorgeous. So if you might want to check your stores. So these vases have been here before, and so have these.
For quantity?
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Now let's head on over here because I want to show you these placemats. Okay, aren't they absolutely beautiful for spring? So they have the placemats, and then here are the towels. Spring makes me smile. I think I'm liking those. And then here are the pot holders, but look at the color of these dishes. This is one of my favorite colors. Absolutely gorgeous. So guys, look at this. We have the dinner plate, the salad plate, we have the bowls. Then we have the coffee cups. And now over here we have what I call the butterfly collection. So here are the placemats. And then here are the pot holders. Absolutely love this. These will be really great for some upcoming collaborations, including those butterflies, guys. So they have that here. Let's go around the bend here. They have these placemats. So these are new. I'm loving those. And that comes with this set here in the navy blue. So these are the coffee cups here. You have the bowls here. Let me show you the salad plate. Here's some more of the bowls, and then here are the plates, dinner plates. Then they have this set. So this is new, guys. If you like this set, you want to see if you can get over there. I can't believe we have the complete set. Normally we have to go hunting those down. Here is the bowls, and look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think I might get 2 of those when I'm done. And then they also have the glassware, and it says home sweet home. So you also have the hand towels, and here they also have it in the home sweet home. This is an adorable set, guys. Let me show it to you from a distance. Okay, so now on this end cap over here, I'm going to be all over the place because they're unboxing. So let me just show you. So we have these. Like I think these are big enough, guys, to use as placemats. I think that's cute. Here's a small little bag, and then here are some bows. Now look at this. The nautical theme beads for $1.25. That is gorgeous. And here we have the coasters. These are really nice. And what I wanted to show you is the silverware, the plastic cutlery that we normally see all in silver is coming in colors. Right here they just have the yellow, but they are coming in colors. So we have this design in square, and look at this. I'm absolutely loving the Hello Spring. The napkins to match are right here. I'm loving this. I like this too. So what does that one say? Let's take a look, guys. Spring is in the air. Yes, I'm loving it. So these are like, I call these dessert cups. Let's see what this says. What are these? Because that's what I think they are. They just say cups. They're shaped like dessert cups. So you have this one. It says Welcome Spring. I think life is blooming. I probably read that wrong, guys, so don't listen to me. Then you have these polka dot ones, and I am loving these handle baskets. So cute. And these tins right here are great for floral arrangements. Look at that purple one. Gorgeous. Here's some balloons. Let's go around. So the wall here. Let me just show you a few of these. Now that's the leftover St. Patrick's Day stuff. And let me move my card a little bit. And they still have quite a bit there. That was nice. They put it all together. And so here are the Easter little buckets. These are the stuffers. So that's pretty nice. What are these? These are the window clings, guys. You can do so many DIYs with these. And I'm pretty sure they have all kinds of styles. Look at that. Then here are some more. I absolutely love these. These are gorgeous. The colors. What are these? It says Looney Tunes. Oh, how cute. Very cute. I like these. Daffy Duck. Then you have, and these are all little things you put in the baskets for the kids and some coloring stuff. Here are the fuzzies with the bunnies, some of the little books, some coloring for his friends. So a lot of stuff for the kids. And then here are the headbands. So let's go around here. So again, this is the St. Patrick's Day leftover stuff. Let's go around this bend here and look at their florals. Here's some more stuff right there. I got tongue-tied there saying those words. These I'm absolutely loving these iridescent eggs. So those are the plastic eggs. They go all the way to the end. We have some shredded paper along the bottom. Here's the shell ones. These shell ones are really nice. And there's the gold ones right there. Very nice. Now let's look at these florals, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And these look or appear to be all roses. They do have some strays that are different. I absolutely love the white roses, guys. And these right here, these flowers are so nice. So very nice. So let's see what the other floral section looks like. So here is the other side of that rack. I always like this tie. And then here are the coins and the mustache and these. Now we're going to move on over here to the fairy garden stuff. So look at this wall here. Let me just give you a quick scan of that. And let's take a look at each one of these. So we have, let me move up close. We have these fairies. And I'm just going to scan real quick. Look at this. It's so cute. These rocks, the little fountain for the birds. Let's see. Oh, look at this. To see the mushrooms. And I love the bench. And now we have these. So I think I like this. I think I'm going to get, I'm not sure. There's so many. Sorry for the noise, guys. Oh, look, they even have the nautical stuff one. What is this one? This is so nice. And here's the camper. And look, they have the boats. This is so cute for a nautical theme. Tiki bar. Look at that. So adorable. Okay, let's swing on over here to the rest of the stuff they have. So those are the Easter eggs. And you know what's really cool? These are the trucks. I'm not sure you can stuff these. You may. So, and they have them in all kinds of colors. More shreds, and these are iridescent kind. Then you have the glitter, the vase fillers, and more eggs, guys. Look at this. More eggs and more baskets. Let's go around this bend. And I love that rabbit garland. That one right there. Absolutely beautiful. Let me go around the bend because we're getting into the gardening stuff, which I absolutely love. Let's look at this. So some of these signs are new, and then some of them are repeats from last year. Okay, so I'm just going to scan through. You have the Easter egg stakes along the bottom, which I love those. Then that sign that says welcome right here is so cute. I think this was here last year in all of these. So this says hop on in. That's adorable. I think this one is new. I'm loving these. So you have some more stakes on the ground here. Let's see. So that one was the pink bunny on the bicycle, and here's the blue. And I love this. This is so cute. I think that was here last year. The Easter sign, those are all, I think those are new. But I could be wrong. And These are so nice. Very, very beautiful. The rabbit is here. Okay. Very beautiful, guys. I'm loving this pink welcome sign. And then it has the raised flower, the raised peony. Isn't that adorable? I like that. Now, that's not a very long one, but these are really nice this year. So that one says welcome spring, and then look at this one, the buffalo check. Very beautiful. Okay, and now we're getting into the home and garden area, but I think I have some more of the Easter stuff to show you, so let me grab my cards. So here we have welcome. Then these all have something different. This one says hello or home. Then they have these metal ones, so that's the bird. There is the bee. So I've been looking for these, but I found 2 of them already at home. I love the bee and the butterfly. So guys, if you want to do some DIYs with those, you got to come and pick those up quickly, because the bees and the butterflies are going quickly. These are the flower pots. This is the watering can, and there's the flower pot. This one. And now these are now coming in black. So this one has 5 of the watering can. Here is the flower, I think. One of these, and here's the butterfly. We have these, and I absolutely love the moss bunnies. Aren't they adorable? So here we have a craft garland with the beads, and then these are so adorable. These little picks. So here's the flower, as I'm showing you these. And then these also are called animal picks, craft wood animal picks. Then they have it in the mushroom, and then this one. So I'm absolutely loving this craft shape, so I think I'm going to get that. And look at these. That's really cute. So here's the welcome sign. Here's the garden sign. Then we have some more of the ornaments, and there is the watering can. These things are so gorgeous. So I can't believe we walked through all that, and I only have one thing in the cart. So let me show you. I think I'm going to start adding right now. Okay, so now we have the galvanized metal. First, let me show you the bunny picks. So you have them in the blue tie and the white tie. And then you have some of these windmill picks that you can color in. I like these. This is so adorable. There's always a problem getting my letter. So now here you have the letter ornaments. Oops, and it has the bunny ears. Sorry about that, guys. See, it has the C and it has the bunny ears. So this is the butterfly. I made a candle holder, one shaped like a heart. Here's the bunny, here's the chick, and then here is the Easter egg. Now that's galvanized metal. If you don't like galvanized metal, they have it here in the white. Here's the Easter egg and the chick. And I absolutely love these guys. They're so cute. So here's the truck with some bunnies, and I like that bottom part. Let's see what else they have. So this one just has the bunny. Okay, and then this one says Easter. I just showed you those, and here are, you know, you can make signs yourself. And you could, if you have a Cricut machine, you can make your own. If not, you can just color it or stencil. So here is the bunny, here is the bunny butt, and here's the carrot. Absolutely love the carrot. Here are some signs, other wood cutouts. And now the ornaments. So I absolutely love the ornaments. I've gotten a whole bunch of these guys. And then you have the beads. The beads are so nice. So now let's get into, let me pull this over to the side, because we got some people over here. So we have some more Easter baskets along the top here. Now we have some crafts here for the kids, and here's ceramic stuff for the kids. I'll show you this here at the bottom in a few. Here is a craft kit of the bunny. And then you have the felt craft kit. Look at these. The bunny butt in the pink and the bunny butt in the blue. That is so adorable. Here's some more rabbits, and here. Now I got these yesterday or the day before. They are so cute, guys. So they have these. They have these. And then these carrots are different. Now they have the paw pad. I love it. The bunny paws. And then you have here the gnomes. Now you have the pom-poms. This is like medium size because this is like the big ones. Okay, and I think, or maybe these are even bigger. So you have small, medium, and large. So let me back up so I can show you. So you have large, medium, and they're the smaller ones. And then here are the little bunnies that you can make. This is really good stuff for kids to keep them busy. So they have these kits. Now I always love the carrot picks. These are nice to stick in floral arrangements. Here are the bunny white foams, and they're the Easter eggs. I love these because you can color those any way you want. These are already pre-colored foam eggs, so that's pretty cool. And then here are the Easter egg picks. And then these are the bunny paw picks. And let's see, so you have the smaller picks there. My favorite are these picks, because it's the Easter egg with the jute twine already around it. So I think I want to get this green one. Surprise, surprise, right, guys? I'm gonna get the green one. And then we have the Easter egg wreath form, and those are the golden eggs. These are the bigger eggs, guys, right here. And decorate. You can even decorate outside with these. Then we have the ribbons. So let's take a look at that. Okay. So let's see. We have that. And now I like these. These are so gorgeous, aren't they? So I like the beehive one. I never seen this one before. Let's see. What does this say? I don't know, but I like that purple. So they have this, and then you have your deco mesh, which we have a whole bunch right here. And let's see. Before we move on, we have this type of trimming, and then we have some of that baker's twine. So I think we're pretty much done in this area. We have some of the picks over here on the end. So we have all candy here, and like I said, they're unboxing stuff still. And then on this side, what is this? They have to organize these things, guys. So, oh, look at this. I didn't see this, the gnome garland. And this must be new. Then you have some more toys over here that you can add to the baskets, and more stuff up here. I love these. Don't you like these eggs, guys? They're so cute. Then they have this cottontail candy, cafe jelly beans, and then you have the gnomes. So let's see. We like the carrots up on the top, and I think that's pretty much it for this haul. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.